Hello guys, nice to see you. I'm from kicksretro.cn. Today I want to show you the authentic Air Jordan 11 Pantone. As you can see, it looks almost blue. Okay, now let's have a quickly look of the shoes. The front, the side, another side, the back, and the bottom. Okay, now I want to show you the shoe box. You can see the box is very big. And there is a white Jordan man on the side. And in this side you can check the size number. And there are two boxes. Okay, now let's have a detailed look of the shoes. Let's from the front, the toe box. You can see the toe box is very shiny and it is very hard. And this blue shoelace. In the middle tongue you can see the blue Jordan man and the Jordan letters. In the side, you see the stitchings are very clean. The stitchings very clean. The blue leather, the white midsole, and ice blue. And you can check the carbon fiber. Another side, the blue stitchings very clean. The white midsole, ice blue, and there is a white Jordan man here. The back, you can see the number 23. And the bottom is very clean. In the middle you can see a blue Jordan man here. Let's check the inside. You can see here is the size tag and Jordan man logo. Inside, the blue suitcase. And inside you can see a big white Jordan man in solo. Okay, let's check together. Okay, if you are interested in our shoes, please click our website sunwkicksretro.cn. See you next time. Goodbye.